Want more dream clients in your business? And how would you feel by having a constant stream of ideal leads knocking on your door looking to do business with you? And finally, do you want more profit and fun in your business? I mean, kind of like, what's the point of doing all this kind of stuff if we're not at least having some fun during the process, right? If you said yes to all of those things, you might be in the right place. Hey, I'm Will Wang, I'm an investor, I'm a founder, and I've grown a bootstrap marketing agency to 7 figures over the past 6 years. On my YouTube channel, which is where you're at right now, I'm gonna be sharing strategies, insights, ideas, tactics, and stuff that we're seeing that's working for ourselves and our clients to build our businesses. So we're gonna be dropping videos every week that goes through what's actually working and the results, and going deep into the things that we're doing to grow businesses all over the world. So if you want more growth, if you want more profit, if you want a bit more fun, stick around. There's a whole bunch of videos all over the page, probably up here, down here, wherever the video gods put the content. And hopefully I'll see you on one of our other videos. Cheers.